I'm Kevin Henry. I'm with the Director of Business Development. And Vinotemp is a 30-year-old, family-owned, American-made company based in California. And we started off building wine furniture 30-plus years ago, moved that into wine cellars, wine rooms, wine anything, and then we moved about 20 years ago, we got into the wine appliance business. And, you know, wine is we've had a love affair with wine for over 8,000 years. So, you know, they find, references to winemaking back in the pyramids. There's basically 3 points to winemaking, wine and culture. It's making wine, storing wine, and drinking wine. Well, the first and the last we've got down pretty good, and storing wine has always seemed to be our problem. It starts off well enough, you buy a bottle or two, it fits in the refrigerator, then it's sitting on top of the refrigerator, and then it's in that cabinet above the refrigerator, and finally you have to have really decided that where am I going with this. So we've, we look at space from different points all the time, and from static space to full space, and how to maximize space. And we're known primarily for our larger wine coolers and wine rooms, but we started thinking about the micro, where you just have that small space, that almost like a filler area that needs to be utilized. You only want to show a few bottles, not everything you have. And so we developed the slimline, a new series that we're here tonight about. And this is a very unique piece. It's the only kind of it in the market, only size. Like I said, it's 6 inches wide, holds 7 bottles, and it's just an absolutely beautiful, we call it the Pocket Cellar. And it's got some really unique features as well for a small unit. The door itself is a patented mirror door. It's supposed to take on the room of the environment, so you don't have to have it reflects the environment. It's a dual pane door, though, to keep the cold in, and it's very energy efficient. And what's really unique to us is this new blue light. If you come by our booth later, you'll see the blue light, and this is what we call our bio blue. And in this type of atmosphere, in any type of wine room atmosphere, you have high humidity and coolness, which can lead to bacteria growth. And the blue light, the bio blue light, actually stops the growth of bacteria and hinders the growth of mold and mildew. So it's a unique feature to us, and I invite you all to come over to our booth, which is at we're South Hall, 4467. We have it on display for you to come and take a look at. And that's it.
Thank you, Kevin. Questions for the 1,000-year-old love affair of wine?
8,000.
8,000, sorry. I broke up with wine last year. I'm dating a beer. Anybody have a question about, yes, what have you got? How deep?
24 inches deep.
Simple.
It's designed to lay flush with the cabinet door.
Another question back here for you, Kevin.
Is it only a stainless steel finish?
It's a mirrored finish. It's not stainless steel.
Anybody else? Before we dismiss the wine. Yes, sir.
If you want to hide, can you attach a cabinet face to it if you want to actually
not this model. We will have panel ready later in the year.
Awesome. Anybody else? All right, a big thank you for Kevin. We appreciate it.